Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to message everyone on your friends list in Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Friends and Chat. Go ahead and click on it to open your messaging interface. This is where you'll manage all your communications with friends on the platform. Now, once the Friends and Chat window opens, look for the section labeled Group Chats. Right beside it, you'll notice a plus icon. Click on that plus icon to begin creating a new group chat. This feature is essential because it allows you to message multiple friends simultaneously instead of sending individual messages to each person, which saves you a tremendous amount of time. After clicking the plus icon, a new window will appear prompting you to set up your group chat. You'll see a designated field where you need to enter your chat name. Type in whatever name you'd like for this group conversation. This name will help you identify the chat later, especially if you create multiple group conversations. Next, you'll see a list displaying all your friends. Now comes the important part. Click on each friend from your list that you want to include in this group message. As you click on them, they'll be added to your group chat. You can select as many friends as you want, essentially allowing you to message everyone on your friends list at once. This is particularly useful for announcements, coordinating game sessions, or just catching up with your entire friend group. Once you've selected all the friends you want to message, click the button that says Create Chat with Friends. This will finalize your group chat setup and create the conversation space where you can communicate with all selected friends simultaneously. And that's it, you can now start typing your message in the text field. Whatever you type here will be sent to everyone you added to the group chat, making it incredibly efficient for broadcasting messages to multiple friends at once. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.